2025 GMC Sierra 3500 HD CC. This truck offers a full-size interior while delivering on versatility. It delivers power and performance, along with tons of features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!